It's Friday, fool, and you need this tool. Welcome back to another glorious episode of It's Friday, fool. You need this tool. My name is Kyle Voss, and on Fridays, I bring you a tool that I use here in this shop or that I have featured on this channel. All right, so this week's tool may seem like a simple one, but I currently kick myself every day for not purchasing these earlier. And that is a disposable car cover, or yeah, I guess it's disposable. I guess you could toss it out. I don't plan on tossing them. I plan on keeping them. But anyway, it's just a thin plastic car cover, but it's kind of shaped to a car, so it's just not a plastic sheet. And it actually has like a bungee strap around the bottom, so it kind of holds it. I mean, it's kind of built just like a regular car cover, but very thin, very inexpensive. They come in packs like this, so I think I bought a 4-pack of them for, I don't remember what I spent, but it wasn't that much. So you get a 4-pack of these, you just unzip them, spread them out, slide them around the car, good to go. Let me show you why I love these things. So obviously, being out here in the fab shop, I make a lot of dust. Plasma table makes dust, I'm grinding, welding, all kinds of stuff. So, should have done this a long time ago. These things work great. I got one on the C10. It's keeping the dust off. When I need to move this thing, I can just peel it off real quick, back it out, do whatever. I can kind of wad this thing up. When I need to put it back on, I roll it back out. Now I will say they're not the strongest thing ever. So like you can see, I've already got one little hole there. I think I did that, maybe unwrapping it. Little one there. So when you're pulling this thing over a vehicle, if you kind of catch it on any in the window trim or anything that might grab it, you're definitely gonna get a little hole in this. You gotta be careful, but there's the elastic strap on the bottom. So it kind of holds everything tight. Now, this particular size doesn't fit the truck all the way around. So it's got, it's leaving the door hanging a little bit on this side. Kind of doing the same thing on this side. But really, for what I need it for, it's perfect. It keeps all the dust off, from settling on top. Now, why dust is a big problem in here? Well, let me show you. I'll show you the goose. So I don't know if you can see, but this thing is dirty. Dirty. And the reason I don't have a cover on it is because I want to clean it before you put a cover on it. If you don't, the cover's just going to kind of grind the dirt into the car. But it doesn't take long for one of these cars to get like the goose is, which I kind of feel bad. You get out and wash it and throw a cover on it. So anyway, the disposable car cover. Some of the actual titles on Amazon say car condom, which I don't know, I guess kind of makes sense. As I always do, I will drop you a link to some of these in the description. You can go check them out for yourself, see if it makes sense for the hot rods in your shop. All right, there you go. This week's tool, the disposable car cover. As always, thank you for joining me. I'll see you guys more next week. It's Friday, fool.